Just imagine the scene what was happening on Mount Carmel.
Berkat kay kabadya hang tahalom Carmel.
The people have gathered.
Kibriw kilaya lumlang.
The altar is set.
La asnabi ang iya katagaduhan.
Sacrifice is laid.
Labo iya katagajing kanya.
Trench is dug.
Bat lati saudong jang kata.
Water is poured.
Lathe iya katagom.
And then all of a sudden fire from heaven comes and consumes the sacrifice.
Bat kading na beneng galawan bat kalatangdo iya katagajing kanya.
What a glorious display of God's power.
Iyo iya kaburam kabakraw kajong oblay katagajing.
God's power came upon Mount Carmel that day.
Pagkabod kajong oblay kalawan how tao rom Carmel katagasngi.
Any normal man would be satisfied with that display power of God.
No briw pamulumala ula susuhon ban iyo iya kanay kakamba kajong oblay.
But there was one man on Mount Carmel.
Halay ladon way you briw halom Carmel.
He was not much satisfied with this display of God's power.
Ukam siyam la suhon tang kakane ban iyo iya kabod kajong oblay.
His name was Elijah.
Bagay kartang jong oblay walay.
Elijah was longing for the blessings of God.
Namar walay ja udang terang susu iya kajing kurku kajong oblay.
Elijah wanted a breakthrough in his situation.
Namar walay ja ukwa iya kajing palaylo iya kajing em kajong.
Because for 3.5 years there is no rain in the land.
Namar lais nam siteng kakam siyam ladon uslap ha katagari.
There is a famine in the land.
Ladon ganem sniw ha katagari.
So Elijah is not satisfied.
Walay ja suhon ha kanay kapod.
That's why I have titled my message this evening.
Day namar kanay laay kanay kapang jong kasi kren jong ha kanay
The
kajang.
change is coming.
Jingkala kalawan.
Your change is coming.
Jingkala kalawan.
But you got to know what your problem is.
Hanay pi haban step ka ay katagajing kajong pi.
He was not satisfied with what happened.
Walay ja klam suhon ha ka ay kabalajia.
He wanted rain.
Ukwa ayo slap.
He wanted open heavens.
Ukwa baga benang get play.
And in that very situation,
Berhakum katagi jingjia.
God speaks here.
Blay ukran.
Likewise, O dear people of
Kalong
God,
kum choro ko gibreu ki jong blay.
many of you find yourself in the same drought condition.
Papiru pisngo yela de bidon hakatahi ka jaka but jong nam snew.
Cheer up, my dear people of
Ano to
God.
pan slur yela de ko gibreu ki jong
It
blay.
is that very situation
Namar hakum katahi ka por.
where God speaks.
Hey bo blay ukran.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
God speaks in that very situation.
Blay ukran hakum kita ki nam snew.
When we see the account of the drought over there,
Habang ipay ya nam snew hakita ka jaka.
the drought was so dreadful.
Bata nam snew kalalong ka jor hado ka tagat.
There was no irrigation system.
Namaram dar chung jing tung ki jing tap hangta.
There was no pipe, no plumbing.
Namaram dar chung ano ka hangta dan kini ki pipe bon rai ko.
They were completely waiting upon the mercies of heaven.
Barkigi habar chuya abay hakaching isun ay baga benangkan panhabis.
All the conditions were out of human control.
Kabamot higat kita kijing chia kita ka nems niyo kabamot kalong palat bo breu bo unum la ban lay.
I know that there's somebody sitting here.
Nga nga te badon ba siyang hanga nega jeka.
There's some people seated here this evening.
Kidon ki breu ki ba siyang hanga nega jeka hanga nega
You
janme.
feel your condition is out of human control.
Babibis ko hey babibi don breu unum la siyo ban yarap ya pi.
You feel you're on a verge of deathbed.
Babibis ko kung babidon nakaching tiap yap no.
You feel as though there is no situations for your life.
Bibis ko bam don kanun nakaching palait siyo ya kaching em kachong
But
pi.
when you see other people's life,
Halala na pi pa ya kaching em jong kiwe.
you think everything is going well with them.
Hiyo i bakin kiwe te ki biang lot habaro ka
But I
benta.
have come to tell you this is a deception.
Hari nga kwa bawan man ito ya pi kataka day tanga jing syukur.
It does not mean a one who preaches well, he's good in training his children.
Kamot ba tao ba yalap? Kamot ba uulong ba bahabat mo hikay kikon?
It also does not mean a one who sings well, he can do a good management.
Kamot ro ikatabo tao ba ruay bahab ha kamot ba uraro banlong usor daro ba biang?
It does not mean that if you have more educational degrees, then you will be a very good teacher.
Kamot ba la pila don ya kikerdan kijang puli kibahe pila banlong ro no hikay ba baha?
Every man has limitations.
Namar man way ubriu kadon kijing boren ti ya ukat no bula.
With that, what I want to tell you tonight,
Day namar katanga kwa banong ya piya
I
kanang
want to tell you there are areas in everybody's life over here.
nga kwa ban ya to siya pang kita kijinya yang ti jo kijingem kijong pi.
There are dry areas in people's lives seated here.
Baka don ro kijaka kibatar ko kijingem jong pi kiti ba syong hanga nega
And you have to find out what are those dry areas of your life.
Papi haban wat ka ay kita kijaka papi bilong batarkong.
See, Elijah was very smart.
Walay ja ulong ubastat ba.
You know, there was famine in the land.
Don nga nem sniw ha katakari.
But Elijah knew one thing.
Baru walay ja utip tangan nga way.
What he had to deal with is the dryness, the drought.
U suto ba uhab ba nila persya kaday ya kata kecil terkong.
He knew one thing.
Utip kene gawai.
If only rain falls,
Tang daw slap uhab.
if dryness is taken care,
Lada la simtino ya kata kecil long terkong.
if drought is taken care,
Lawan hap tau slap lada la simtino ya kata kecil terkong lembau tau slap.
they will be out of famine.
Kaba merki kin lait no na kanem snil.
So he knew it very well.
U suto ba.
I know tonight there are some people here.
Ngate bro hakane kami don pedeng jong pi besong hakane
You will
jeka.
examine your life
Bibi yet yala de.
and you will find the root cause of your problem.
Babin yoru yang taka telong jong kecing jong kecing jong pi.
And you will come to a decision tonight.
Babin wan sang negara.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
You will come to a decision where you can come out of your famine situation.
Babin wan sang negara. Hey babila ban mi no nang taka nem snil jong kecing